Open the control panel. Click on Turn Windows features on or off. Find the desired function and check the box. After checking the box, we need to reboot. I've already turned it on, so I won't reboot here. After rebooting, open Settings. Find Developer Mode and turn it on. Then unzip the tool provided. Click on Setups 6.4 to install it. Once the installation is complete, open the subsystem, find Developer Mode and open it. Search for Play Store and log in. Once you have logged in, you can use the Play Store. Enjoy yourself.